In mathematics, the Rost invariant is a cohomological invariant of an absolutely simple simply connected algebraic group G over a field K, which associates an element of the Galois cohomology group H3, K, QZ, 2, to a principal homogeneous space for G. Here the coefficient group QZ, 2, is the tensor product of the group of roots of unity of an algebraic closure of K with itself. Markus Rost, 1991, first introduced the invariant for groups of type F4 and later extended it to more general groups in unpublished work that was summarized by Serre, 1995. The Rost invariant is a generalization of the Arason invariant. Definition: suppose that G is an absolutely almost simple simply connected algebraic group over a field K. The Rost invariant associates an element A, P, of the Galois cohomology group H3, KQZ, 2, to a G tensor P. The element A, P, is constructed as follows. For any extension K of K there is an exact sequence. 0. H.3. K. Q. Z. 2. H. Et. 3. P. K. Q. Z. 2. Q. Z. Display style 0 Rotero H3, K, math Q math Z, 2, Rotero H at 3, PK, math Q math Z, 2, Rotero math Q math Z. Where the middle group is the étale cohomology group and QZ is the geometric part of the cohomology. Choose a finite extension K of K such that G splits over K and P has a rational point over K. Then the exact sequence splits canonically as a direct sum, so the étale cohomology group contains QZ canonically. The invariant A, P, is the image of the element 1KK of QZ under the trace map from H3ET, PKQZ, 2, to H3ET, PQZ, 2, which lies in the subgroup H3, KQZ, 2. These invariants A, P, are functorial and field extensions K of K. In other words, they fit together to form an element of the cyclic group INV3, GQZ, 2, of cohomological invariants of the group G, which consists of morphisms of the functor KH1, KG, to the functor KH3, KQZ, 2. This element of INV3, GQZ, 2, is a generator of the group and is called the Rost invariant of G references. Garibaldi, Ryan Skip, 2001. The Rost invariant has trivial kernel for quasi-split groups of low rank. Comment. Math. Health. 76, 4, 684 711. Arcs of Math 0205305 doi 10.1007S0001400128325 Mr. 1,881,703. Garibaldi, Skip, Merkurjev, Alexander, Serre, Jean-Pierre, 2003. Rost invariants of simply connected algebraic groups, cohomological invariants in Galois cohomology. University Lecture Series, 28, Providence, Rhode Island, American Mathematical Society, ISBN 0-8218-32875, Mr. 1,999,383, ZBL 1159.12311. Rost, Markus, 1991, A, Mod 3. Invariant for exceptional Jordan algebras, Comptes Rendus de l'Académie des Sciences, Serre I, 313, 12, 823-827, Mr. 1,138,557. Serre, Jean-Pierre, 1995, Cohomologicales yen, Projers et Problems, *, Seminaire Bourbaki exp. Number 783, 227, 4, 229-257, Mr. 1,321,649.